your mom so proud, but your voice is too loud. We like to watch you laughing, picking insects off the plants. Time to think of consequences. Control yourself, take only what you need from it. A family of trees wanted to be haunted. Control yourself, take only what you need from it. A family of trees wanted to be haunted. Water is warm, but it sent me shivers. A baby is born, crying out for attention. Memories fade like looking through a fog mirror. Decisions are made and not bought, but I thought this wouldn't hurt a lot, I guess not. Control yourself, take only what you need from it. A family of trees wanted to be haunted. Control yourself, take only what you need from it. A family of trees wanted to be haunted. Control yourself, take only what you need from it. A family of trees wanted to be haunted.
Dear Mom and Dad, I just want you to know I love you so much. I'm so thankful for everything you've given me to have the best future, but because of my stupid choices, I ruined everything. I never thought it could happen to me. I thought I was invincible. I'm so sorry I wasted my life, my whole future, and forever changed your lives because I made a stupid decision to text and drive.
Dear Mom, today was the day when I left this earth. I made the decision to drive when drunk. Unfortunately, that was the last decision I got to make. You think I would have learned that drinking is deadly, but my last decision proved that I was no better than Dad. 18 years old and dead from a drunk driving accident. I'm so sorry, Mom. I will forever be your baby boy.
Audrey, you are my sibling and you make my world turn. Remember, when you feel like the world is failing you, never forget you have a mother and father that will always go up to bat for you and always take your side. Don't forget, God loves you more than anything, and Him and I will be looking out for you, young one. You are my forever. I love you so much, and I'm always with you, my dear.